A DPE file is a Delphi package editor source containing component package definitions that organize and distribute code within the Delphi development environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you compile or troubleshoot these Delphi package files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the DPE error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. DPE files are package editor source files for Embarcadero Delphi containing component package definitions that specify which units, components, and resources are included in a BPL design time or runtime package for the Delphi IDE component library. Delphi DPE files use a text-based format listing package dependencies, contain units, required libraries, and compiler directives. They define component registration procedures linking visual and non-visual components to the Delphi IDE's component palette for designer access. The most common market-leading program for DPE is Embarcadero Delphi from Embarcadero Technologies. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows can display the file, but safe execution depends on trusted environments. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your DPE file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with Embarcadero Delphi if it is present. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. If your DPE file is not opening yet, that is normal. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, opening in Delphi. Open Embarcadero Delphi RAD Studio and use File. Then open to load the DPE file. The package editor will display the contained units, required packages, and compiler options. Build the package to compile it into a BPL binary for IDE integration. Next, compiling the package. In Delphi's package, editor click Compile to build the DPE into a BPL binary library. Ensure all reference units and dependencies are accessible in the project search paths. Fix any compilation errors shown in the Messages panel before proceeding with installation. Finally, installing components. After successful compilation, click Install in the package editor to register the components with the Delphi IDE. The contained visual and non-visual components will appear on the component palette. Restart Delphi if prompted to complete the component installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.